guys, I'm Princess.
Today, I will show my pencil. Okay. Talk to them.
Hi guys, I'm Princess India.
Okay, then show your ball pen, your pencil. Okay, show talk. What is this? What is this?
It's pink.
Pink ball pen?
Yeah.
Is this Barbie?
You look at this.
Is this Barbie?
Yes.
Okay, Barbie. And then how about this?
Princess Early Blue.
Oh, ball pen. What fairy tale is this? What princess is this? Princess
India.
Andy? Ariel?
Yeah.
Is that Ariel?
No.
What princess is this? Like that? Hindi ko alam yan. No,
Princess Persian.
Persian?
Yeah.
Okay, how about ball pen? And how about this? What is this?
Pink. Orange.
Orange?
Yeah.
Orange color?
Yeah.
Orange pencil pen ba ito? Sige, pencil pen. How
About
about this?
I said pen.
Pencil? Pencil? Okay, Elsa. Okay. That's your pencil case. Inside your pencil case. Right, princess? What's this? Notebook. Oh, what inside your notebook? Can you show to them? Can you please show to them? Oh, this one. This one?
Yes.
Okay. And this one is, the second page is number 1. Okay. And no more. About this. Who draw this? Ate. Ate draw this, mermaid?
Yeah.
Oh, si Ate Fet niya daw nag-draw ng kanyang mermaid. How about this? Ay, wow! And this is your assignment? Okay. What inside your green notebook? Okay, this is assignment. Cut or draw 5 picture, initial sound letter A. That's why, princess, choose apple, avocado, ambulance, airplane, arrow. Okay, siya ang nag-draw nito. Siya ang nag-draw ng apple. And then ako ang nag-cut. Si mami ang nag-cut nito. Siya rin ang write ng name ng apple. Lahat siya ang nag-ano nito. Si princess ang
Mom, what's there, Mom? Here.
Okay. Show it to them first. Open it kasi mami.
What is this? Wow.
Mami explain what inside your notebook green. This one, show to them. Show to them. Help me. Are you always fixing your hair?
Wait, I know. Mom, see this.
Are you always fixing your hair? Help me first. Help me for explain explain your assignment notebook. And this one, lahat neto si princess ang nag-drawing. And then akong nag-cut. Tapos siya din ang nagsulat neto. Ayan, pero pinaka-follow ko sa kanya. And then, naklaro naman kung anong writing niya dyan. Yeah, siya talaga nag-write. Ako lang. Pero hindi pa niya alam magsulat. Okay. How about your blue notebook? What inside your assignment notebook, princess? What inside your... Oh, no more.
That one inside.
Okay.
Here. Hi, guys. This is my sticker.
Your sticker? Show to them. Is that your sticker?
Yeah.
Oh, Kuromi?
Yeah.
Is that Kuromi or Barbie?
Kuromi.
Kuromi?
This is Kuromi.
Wow. Show to them. Show to the camera. Show to the viewers.
No.
Oh.
Kuromi.
Oh, Kuromi, your hair
Kuromi.
clip is Kuromi also, right?
Kuromi. Where's her call mommy?
Because you give to your classmate.
Huh?
Remember?
Huh?
You give to your classmate.
Huh?
Your your heart sticker, diba already give to your classmates, right?
No, Mama.
You give to them. I saw you before. Okay. This one, Princess.
Here. Sticker here. Sticker clips.
Okay, how about this one? How about your color?
It's Warjan.
Okay, done na yan. Get your color. How about your color? Show to them.
It's made in version in word in version.
Okay, how about your color? Crayons. Next, get your crayons. What's that? What is this? What is this?
My car.
Color.
Mommy, it's not car.
How many color inside?
Mommy,
How many color
that's
inside?
the door.
The door?
Yeah.
The door. Is this the door? The cover? It's not door. It's a cover.
Mama.
How many colors? 16? 16 color inside? Oh, okay. Ganun talaga yan siya. Ayaw niya mawala yung gamit niya. Kailangan i-close mo kaagad yan. Close natin ang door. Door ng ganyang crayon. Okay, yung cover.
Happy baby.
How about this? How about this? How about this? You to them. What is this?
Scissor.
Okay, you have two scissors, right?
Yes, sir. This is to start
What color is this? What color is this?
green,
How about this one?
blue, and yellow here.
Oh, very good. How about your, what is this?
Pink.
Sharpener?
Hello.
Is this sharpener? Okay.
Yeah.
Ano ko Erisa?
Hello.
Sharpener for the pencil, right?
Yeah.
How about this one? You have to sharpener.
This sharpener.
Yeah. What color is this?
Violet.
Purple.
Yeah.
How about this one? What color is this?
Pink.
Oh, how about your your plastic bag? What color is your plastic bag?
It's pink.
Pink. Okay. And that's it, guys. And that's it, guys. And that's it, guys.
That's it, guys.
Okay, I'm done.
I'm done.
Okay, you're done. And then put it back. Now, thank you for watching.
Madimi.
Okay, now thank you for watching. Talk to them.
Thank you watching.
Thank you for watching. Please follow me.
Follow me.
My Facebook.
My Facebook.
Look at ano. Princess Kawari Fado.
Right.
Princess Kawari
Right.
Fado.
Follow.
Bye.
Bye.
Hindi ka tumitingin ka sa camera.